Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Olivia and I'm here, as you guys can tell by the title, with the review of the James Charles palette plus a demo. As you guys can see, I've used the purples and pinks in this palette, and as you guys can see, this is lovely. I like it. I love it. So if you guys want to see the deets about this palette and you want to see how I create this look, you guys can continue watching. Okay, so it came packaged in this white box, you know, and when you open it, you know, you have the bubble wrapping for extra security, because you know, we ain't about that life. But I'm so glad they did this whole black palette, because unlike the Jacqueline L palette, you don't want to see how that palette looks right now. When we open it, you have this right here, which is the name of the shades. Let me just remove that. Oh, look at that. Whoa. This is gorgeous. You have your blues, your greens. We have mattes and shimmers in here, guys. Oh my god, and these reds are so gorgeous. I do not know what look I am going to do. We're just going to wing this look. So first I'm going to take my P. Louise Rumor base. It's Rumor 2. It's an eyeshadow base. I'm just gonna put, alright, so I'm just gonna blend this out, and I'm using patting motions. First color I'll be using is Escape, and this is a really deep purple. So I'm just gonna put that right underneath my eye socket. It's a little bit higher than my crease. On top of that, I'm going to go in with Skip, and it's a really pretty pink. It's very bright. I'm just gonna go. I'm gonna go with this purple right here. It's called Single, and I'm gonna use that to blend out that deep purple. It's like a really lavenderish looking color. I'm just gonna use that to blend out the edges of that deep purple that we used. So we're just deepening our purple a little bit more so it stands out. We're gonna take some more of that P. Louise eyeshadow base, and we're just gonna put this, make that half, we're gonna make that half circle almost like a halo but not as clean. Pinkity drinkity. Pinkity drinkity. And we're just going to pat that on. Alright guys, so this is what we have so far. I'm going to do the other eye and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so we did the other eye and there's something that I want to do. I don't know, but I'm thinking of doing like a kind of a cut crease with a liner or primed and peachy primer, and I'm just going to prime face with this. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to conceal, and I'm just going to take the Born This Way concealer, and I'm just going to put 3 dots, we do 4, underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, forehead, and my chin. I'm going to use my Real Techniques brush, and we're just gonna drag the bottom part because we're blending the bottom first. We're just gonna drag it down and out. I'm gonna go in with the Black Radiance concealer stick, and this is I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty. I'm gonna use about 3 pumps. That should be fine. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to use my Beauty Bakery Flour Powder, the yellow one, and I'm just gonna use that to set my highlighted areas. I'm gonna use my sponge as well. So I'm just patting this in. go in with No Beans from the James Charles palette. It's a really pretty brown, and I'm just gonna use that as my contour since we're using this palette. Right, so I'm gonna go in with my Sasha Buttercup powder alongside my Morphe sponge. It's a really good sponge actually. I like the chiseled end, and I'm just gonna carve out my jawbone area, my jawline, so I can get like a more precise contour. In the meantime that is setting, I think I want to go with something bright, so I'm gonna do white liner. What do you guys think? Should I do white or black? I think let us see what the whites look like. So I'm using the NYX Jumbo pencil. Open my eyes. Like, if you guys can tell, like this eye, it looks more wider now. Like, can you guys tell? I do like it. Let us see. That same purple, that dark purple that we use in our crease, and we're just gonna use that underneath our water bottom or our lash line, underneath our. With that pink, the bright pink, and we're gonna put that below. Just give it that tap. So we're just removing this excess powder with our Max Skin Finish powder, and this is in dark deep, and we're just going to put this all over our face, okay? Five, 1, 8, and I'm just gonna, it's an orangey color, and I'm going to mix that with Literally, and that is like a shimmery orangey red, and that is gonna be our blush. Okay, I see you coming through. The Morphe setting spray. I'm just gonna set my face to prepare it for highlight. Actually, guys, this is like fine mist. It's not as, it don't comes out as water. Like it's very like fine. Like you could actually hold it close to your face. Wow. Wow, wow. I think I found me a new fave. Morphe. Okay, you guys, you doing it. You doing it. For highlight, I'm gonna try and go with face. I'm gonna see what face is like. And it's like a gold, but it's like a fine gold. Okay, face. Oh, it's a little bit too white for me. I see a more darker color. Let's see. Yeah, so I'm gonna take Boutique, and I'm just going to put that and use this as my. I'm taking So Good mixed with a lot of with a little bit of ring light, and we're gonna put that for our brow bone. And we're going to use face for our inner tear highlight. So let me just spritz this with some of the Morphe spray. Just gonna go ahead and add some of that. Definitely, yeah. Alright, so we're gonna go with Zipper by ColourPop. Now we're gonna go in with Lemon Drop, and it's just the lavender. We're gonna put this. Gorgeous. Okay, so here we have it. We use mostly these colors right here, so the purples and the pink. Okay, sisters, this is gorgeous. Okay, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think about this look, okay? Down in the comment section below, tell me if you have your sister palette, okay? Bye guys, see you next time.